You gonna come get me? Are you gonna get me? Huh? Are you gonna get me? You better throw the water sometime. Ah.
Come close.
What do you mean come closer? For what? Oh. Oh. Y'all out of water now. Gotta go get some more. Say hi. Say hi. You got me. Yeah, that's not doing a whole lot, son. What you doing, man? Huh?
Hitting you.
You hitting me?
Yeah.
You supposed to be getting me wet?
Yeah.
Oh, are you getting me wet?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I'm wet.
Are you wet?
Yeah, my shirt is wet.
It is. What else is wet? Are your shoes wet? Huh?
My hair is wet.
Is their wet? Okay.